Good day sa ating mga Watashi Winandia. Welcome again to my Watashi vlog. So we're now here at the site of the UP Diliman na tinawag ko na Forest of the Jungle. Like. So with my Naruto again. So pasyal-pasyal kami. And maglalakad kami to UP Diliman. So yan na. We're heading na sa UP Diliman. Hinata and Naruto are exploring for the world to see the Hokage. Ganun. Iba ang pagmamahalan na. Ayan na. So, as you can see, the UP Diliman. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ayan na. So beautiful and handsome Naruto and Hinata together again. So, the beautiful view of the UP Diliman. And then also the court. And also for the field. And then the parking outside. Yeah. So, as you can see po, napakalaki ng UP Diliman. Hahaha. That's it. Hi! Good day sa ating mga Watashi Winandia. Welcome again to my Watashi vlogs. So, we're now here at the site of the UP Diliman. So, relax muna kami dito ng aking Naruto na pinakamamahal. So, yan. So, diba? So, nakakatanggal talaga ng stress here. And you can also go here para naman kahit papano magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind at makarelax ang inyong mind kapag super busy kayo. So, work, study. So, yan na. Banding together with him, with my beloved Naruto. So, tan-tan-tan-tan. So, here's the view again. Upstairs on the skies. Yeah. Upstairs on the sky. Yeah. So, may mga mini fish dyan. So, hindi ko pa siya nakita. Pero, you will find out soon.